Hey y'all, today I'm making the prettiest strawberry dessert you've ever had. This is half a cup of melted butter, which is the same as 1 stick. And I've got 2 eggs. These are the Eggland's best ones. So, those in here. I'll be adding just a little bit of vanilla to this. 1 whole teaspoon. Then we're going to be adding half a teaspoon of salt. It's a good mix. This is a thicker batter than the usual cake batter because today we are making brownies. This is an 8x8 lined with parchment paper. I'm just gonna put this right in there. Push this into the corners. And look, it looks like bubble gum right now, but once this goes in the oven, it's gonna look so amazing. So this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Look at how it turned out. I already checked. It's cool. Got some powdered sugar, and we're gonna do, this is a 1/4 cup measuring cup. We're gonna use 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. One tablespoon strawberry preserves. You can use raspberry if you want, but you know, the strawberry brownies look brand new. Go ahead and take 1 tablespoon, probably a little bit more than that, but that's okay. A stir. And this thing is gonna go all over the top of the brownies. Spread this out. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Okay. This down. This fancy pizza cutter that I'm going to use for these brownies. So let me get this one right in there. Are you an edges person or an in the middle brownie person? Let me know in the comments. So good. That glaze is so delicious. It's like strawberry clouds. It's so good. You have to make this. I promise it's gonna be a hit.